ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Tang Hadien license bala Plie ya Tata Motors Authorised Service Station minta ke West Gentle Hills kalayo Kawei ke Jaka Shna Trok jong ka company Ashok Leyland da ka jing Plie ya ka Turoi Motors Ashok Leyland Authorised Service Center bat ka Baningkong ha West Gentle Hills District ya kani ke Jaka Shna Trok la Plie da additional SP ka West Gentle Hills District uba VDS Rembai kumukong san ha ka arpulai trek unailar arajar pusau kani ke karkhana Shna Trok Ashok Leyland kadon ha Pramer West Gentle Hills harut ka Surok ba National Highway 6 baladai trai da uba penskem 1 mi kendai khun jong ka kong Turoi kendai shwa ka jing Plie pat ba la don ka jing duai kerpang na uba elder m nong tudu ha ka jing don lang ki bahyang asam ki hakiman ki parlok parjor kumju ki trai kali bat ki wei ki washakhot ngobha uba VDS Rembai kumukong san ha ka jingkran ulai ro eu trai ka karkhana bla shim ya ka sinjam ban tha wi gilat kilinti ki ban ajing mentoy ki pat ba jong ka than pat ka district hi bro Kawei kani ka Jaka kam dei tang na ka benta ban kamai ka ji henrai ha ka chu upor kawan ra ya ka jing sakri ka ba khamjan saki pat ba la ong ba Rembai bat benrap ba ka jing don jong ni karkhana kan long ka jing mentoy ka ba khrau ya baro ki pat ba ki badan ya ka kali Ashok Leyland ban kalong ru jing mentoy ya baro ki trai kali kiba dan kam shu ban lech sabar jong jala nak benta ki jing dan kam jong ki nalor ka taw la ong ru kani ka karkhana tang baka ajing mentoy ki trai kali henrei ka penyo kam yo jam ru ki samla ki badon sap ban trai hakum kini ki karkhana USH Ghosh RSM ha ka jingkran ula ong kani ka de ka karkhana ka ba bhatam ka badan ni ki jing dan kam baro pat ka dan ha ka surok ba ka ba bun tam ki kali ki bawan na Guwahati Shasil Shar ki ba ya ling ba kani ka surok ba ula ai kublai ru yo ba pens cam 1 mi kendan ublai trelang bat ki bat ukermen ba kani ka Jaka kan yarap shisha ke district bat ki Jaka ba marjan ban yo ya ka jingkershan bat jing sakri ka ba hatam ha kani ka sngi la yo jingkeran pedang na uba El Suyam u Wahid Khan ASM Rajesh Dora EM Nabarun Bhattacharya ASM Yakai Service Center bat la penpho penpieng yakani ka jing Plie pat ba da ki jing rai bat ki jing shan
I request Ryan and Yolam to kindly escort our chief guest off the dais.
This not only is a junction where it creates investment opportunity to the locals, but at the same time this bring servicing closer to the people. It is a great benefit to all the people who are having vehicles that has been manufactured by Ashok Leyland, and it is also beneficial for all the business community who will no longer have to go to other parts of the state or maybe outside the state for the necessities that require from time to time. So I would like to congratulate the director of the service center for taking this milestone, for taking a bold step as an entrepreneur to create facilities that will benefit the people of the district, of the area, and of the state and maybe the region at large. It not only benefit the vehicle owners, but this is also an arena whereby it creates job opportunity for all the youths or the job aspirants who are qualified and who are eligible to be employed by this service center. So once again, I'd like to congratulate the local director and the team Ashok Leyland for the efforts that had made this a success, and I wish them all the very best, and I hope this service center will grow from strength to strength and it will continue to provide good service to the area in the many years to come. Thank you, good luck and all the best.
And this is one of the finest outlets having all the facilities in Meghalaya. And situated on NH6, the route which is catering maximum vehicles from Guwahati to Silchar via this route. This is actually a long pending from our side. Thanks Mr. Pinskem Candidate for giving us the opportunity and joining with us, join hand for this outlet. This will definitely help our Joy and surrounding areas to get a very good service support. And if you see, they have already finalized to keep huge amount of materials. If you see their second floor of complete, this second floor is for parts. They have started with amount and they are going to keep all kind of parts. Hence they make this second floor, complete second floor will be for parts only. With a great commitment they have started, and I am sure in the coming days this will become a milestone and they will create a standard for service in Meghalaya. Coming to Ashok Leyland point of view, Ashok Leyland established in 1948. Since then it is around 76 years. We are catering service to our customers. We have done so many initiatives. We have taken so many initiatives to give customers the advantage or some relief, some benefits. In this way, we have created some digital initiatives, which I must tell in this podium. We have our iAlert, we have our L-Care application, we have our Leyland for parts. iAlert is a very good thing, digital initiatives that we brought. It is actual GPS system. You will have so many GPS system in the market, but Ashok Leyland GPS system having so many, I can say points. You can check your vehicle health, you can monitor your vehicle performance, you can track your vehicle. There are many things in GPS. I cannot explain it here, it will take a full day. So that is one initiative we have taken. Another one is L-Care app. L-Care app is for the customer, mainly for the customers. You can download L-Care application in your mobile. It is available in Google app. So, Play Store. From there you can get all the details, whatever job you've done on a vehicle, what are the bills, and where are the outlets available in and around your area. You will get all the details. And you can keep all the digital, documents in digital form, your vehicle documents. There are many occasions when you go somewhere, people are asking for vehicle documents. You can keep the documents in that L-Care app in a digital format. Even L-Care app will give you the indication that your servicing time has come, already reached. You go there for service, for Ashok Service Center. This indication they will give. And Leyland is like Flipkart or Amazon. You can order parts through online. Not heavy parts, not engine, not gearbox, not a differential, but definitely you will get so many parts from there. We are doing for customers only. And our main motto is we are not stopping here. Actually, we want to increase our networks throughout Northeast and throughout Meghalaya so that our customers can get maximum benefit, maximum help. We can support the customer. Thanks again to Messrs. Turoi team, and hope these things will go very well and definitely will make it, set a standard of service in Meghalaya.